Bitcoin, the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency, has gained significant attention in recent years. As a beginner, buying Bitcoin may seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of purchasing Bitcoin, making it accessible even for those with limited technical knowledge. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before diving into buying Bitcoin, it's essential to understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with key terms like blockchain, wallets, private keys, and exchanges. Research the advantages, risks, and potential uses of Bitcoin to make informed decisions throughout the process. Step 2. Set up a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is a digital application or hardware device that allows you to securely store your Bitcoin. Choose a wallet that suits your needs, considering factors such as security, ease of use, and platform compatibility. There are various types of wallets available, including software wallets, for example, mobile or desktop, web wallets, and hardware wallets, physical devices. Step 3. Choose a reputable exchange. An exchange is an online platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Selecting a reputable and reliable exchange is crucial for the security of your funds. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Research each exchange's reputation, fees, supported countries, and user experiences before making a decision. Step 4. Sign up and verify your account. Once you've chosen an exchange, sign up for an account. Provide the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Most exchanges require identity verification to comply with regulations. Prepare a government-issued ID, for example, passport, driver's license, and follow the verification process as prompted. Step 5. Connect your bank account or credit card. To fund your Bitcoin purchase, you'll need to connect your bank account or credit card to the exchange. This step may vary depending on the exchange you chose. Follow the instructions provided by the exchange to link your account securely. Be cautious and choose reputable exchanges to safeguard your financial information. Step 6. Place an order. With your account set up and linked to a payment method, you can now place an order to buy Bitcoin. Determine the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase and review the current market price. Exchanges offer various order types, including market orders, instant purchase at the current market price, and limit orders, purchase at a specific price. Choose the appropriate order type and execute the transaction. Step 7. Safely store your Bitcoin. Once your purchase is complete, it's crucial to transfer your Bitcoin from the exchange to your personal wallet. Leaving your Bitcoin on an exchange makes it vulnerable to hacking or theft. Follow your wallet's instructions to generate a receiving address and initiate a withdrawal from the exchange. Paste the receiving address and specify the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. Step 8. Secure your investment. Safeguarding your Bitcoin investment is paramount. Ensure that your wallet's backup and recovery options are set up correctly. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Regularly update your wallet software and educate yourself about common security practices, such as avoiding phishing scams and keeping your private keys offline. Step 9. Stay updated on market trends. Bitcoin's value can be highly volatile, and staying informed about market trends is crucial for making informed decisions. Follow reliable news sources, join cryptocurrency forums, and engage with the community to gain insights into market developments. However, exercise caution when making investment decisions based solely on short-term price fluctuations. Step 10. Consider dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, is a strategy that involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of Bitcoin's price. This approach helps mitigate the impact of market volatility and can be an effective long-term investment strategy. By consistently purchasing Bitcoin over time, you can potentially reduce the impact of short-term price fluctuations and benefit from the overall growth of the cryptocurrency. Step 11. Explore other cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, the digital currency market offers a wide range of alternative coins, known as altcoins. These altcoins have different features, use cases, and potential for growth. As you gain more experience and knowledge, consider exploring other cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. However, exercise caution and conduct thorough research before investing in any altcoins. Step 12. Be mindful of security risks. While the blockchain technology underlying Bitcoin is highly secure, the same cannot always be said for user practices. As a Bitcoin owner, you are responsible for your wallet's security. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious links or emails. Avoid sharing your private keys or wallet recovery phrases with anyone and consider storing them offline in a secure location. Step 13. Understand tax obligations. It's important to be aware of the tax regulations and obligations regarding cryptocurrency in your country. In some jurisdictions, gains from Bitcoin investments may be subject to capital gains tax. Keep accurate records of your transactions, including the purchase and sale of Bitcoin, as well as any other relevant activities. Consult with a tax professional or seek guidance from your local tax authority to ensure compliance with tax laws. Step 14. Diversify your portfolio. While Bitcoin can be a significant investment, it's crucial to diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. Consider allocating your investment capital to various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and other cryptocurrencies. Diversification helps spread risk and can provide stability in times of market volatility. Step 15. Stay patient and informed. Investing in Bitcoin is a long-term commitment, and it's important to maintain a patient and informed approach. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, experiencing significant price fluctuations in short periods. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market hype or fear. Instead, focus on the long-term potential of Bitcoin and its underlying technology. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin as a beginner may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and a cautious approach, it can be a rewarding investment. By educating yourself, choosing a reputable exchange and wallet, staying updated on market trends, and practicing good security measures, you can confidently navigate the world of Bitcoin. Remember to be patient, diversify your portfolio, and always seek advice from professionals when needed. For more information on how to buy Bitcoin anywhere in the world, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing!